Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate two-step verification for Amazon. And to do this, first we'll need to click on our account right there, then move to Login and Security. Here we'll be able to find two-step verification. We can click on Turn On. That way you will need to provide your phone number for a two-step verification. You can also go for Authenticator app, and you will need to download it from Google Play Store or from the App Store. Then scan this QR code and enter OTP that you will see. But in this case, we can go for the phone number, enter your number, then it will send you the SMS, the message on your phone. You'll need to enter a code from that message onto that website, and you'll be able to activate your two-step verification. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.